Welcome to Herbal Home Remedies. Please like, share, and subscribe.
You're not going to spend a fortune nor a lot of time making this homemade remedy. It's fantastic because it helps improve the health of such organs as the kidneys, liver, and pancreas. One of the ingredients of this remedy is coriander, which is powerful and rich in medicinal properties. We're talking about a common ingredient in salads and spice mixtures. Notice some of its benefits. An excellent diuretic. Stimulates liver function. Improves digestion. Can cure diarrhea because it's excellent at the removal of bacteria and treating of infections. Lowers cholesterol levels. Cures canker sores with its antimicrobial and antiseptic properties. Reduces blood sugar. Eliminates pink eye. Improves vision and prevents ocular diseases. Now that we've told you about the advantages of one of the ingredients, coriander, let's look at the recipe. Ingredients: 1/2 cup of chopped coriander, not too small, use the stalk too. 1/2 cup of chopped parsley, not too small, use the stalk too. 300 milliliters of water. Instructions: place the coriander and the parsley in a pan and cover them with water. Cook uncovered for 10 minutes, the time that it takes to eliminate the chlorophyll. After 10 minutes have passed, remove the pan from the heat and let the mixture cool. Drinking 1 cup daily is enough to eliminate toxins and purify your body. Now that you know how powerful coriander and parsley can be sure to add these ingredients frequently to your diet. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.